What's happening? Was so good. This one took 6 hours. Hello and welcome back to the channel. I was feeling like reading, like I want to binge read things, like I want to binge read mystery books, I want to binge read thriller books. That's what I'm in the mood for right now. So I thought, what's better than doing a 24 hours readathon? So we are going to do just that. I have already tried doing 24-hour readathons and I don't really read for 24 hours, like in the entire one single day, like that single 24-hour stretch. I don't do that. So this time I thought, okay, but I want to read for 24 hours. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna read for 12 hours today and 12 hours tomorrow. So that way we'll have 24 hours because sleep is important. Otherwise, अगर मैं सोऊंगी नहीं तो I don't think I can retain all the information which is in the mystery or thriller books. So we need that, like we need that proper sleep, dinner break, lunch break, normal जो humans को necessary है वो breaks. So that's why I thought of doing it like 12 hours because people have done that. I love watching such videos. I thought you might also like them. It's kind of late. I am starting it at noon. I'm kind of a night owl person, so we can stretch it thoda late tak. Let's talk about my immediate TBR, like the books I am planning on reading. So I think I can finish 4 books, out of which I want at least 2 of them to be physical books so that I can tick off some books from my physical TBR. The first book which I have here is The Little White Lies by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. I have been eyeing this book. I have been thinking about reading this since a very long time, and not very long time, since I got it in Feb. I thought okay, now is the perfect time because her writing is so quick and fast and the chapters are usually short. So I have flown through her Inheritance Game series, so I thought के ये भी वैसा ही होगा. So it's perfect for a readathon. Then I have What Lies in the Woods. I'm not going to give you summaries until I decide to actually read these books because otherwise it would be too boring. मैं सबके summaries दे दूँगी और मैं पढ़ कुछ और रही हूँ. So that doesn't make any sense. ठीक है? When I'm 20 or 30 pages in, I'll give you the plots and summaries of the books. Then I have Truly Devious. It's the Truly Devious series. I want to start this series finally, and again, perfect time to binge read a trilogy. So this is what I have right now. I also have my Kindle with me, and there are a lot of mystery books, mystery thrillers. I don't really buy thriller books because I know कि एक time के बाद मैं उसको नहीं पढ़ूंगी वापस. I prefer to read them on Kindle. So I have Frida McFadden, Lisa Jewell, a lot of books. So I want to read some of them. So and one last thing, last book on my TBR is this. I have this audiobook called Homemaker. I haven't started it yet. So if I'm doing something else, and I usually tend to listen to audiobooks in my entire day, I have decided to listen to that. It is a cozy mystery, and yes, I wanted to mention that even though I am planning on reading only mystery thrillers, I have decided that it's going to be a broad general term. I can read cozy mysteries, those dark humor plus mystery kind of situation, like How to Kill Men and Get Away with It, like all sorts of mysteries, all sorts of thriller books which come under this term. I am gonna read them. So that's a cozy mystery, Homemaker. I'm going to tell you what that book is about because I know for sure that I'm gonna read that. It's called Homemaker because our main character is a homemaker and she has 2 kids, if I'm not wrong. See, that's why I was thinking of giving you summaries after I actually start reading them. We have my phone right here. This time I'm filming on my camera because I wanted to actually use my phone to count the hours. I'm thinking of doing timer because फिर अगर मैं उल्टा करती हूँ ना फिर मुझे बहुत कैलकुलेशन में कंफ्यूजन होता है जो लास्ट टाइम हुआ था. So we are gonna count till 24 hours. I'm gonna start this timer and pause it whenever I'm reading, or whenever I'm reading I'm gonna start it, and when I'm not reading I'm gonna stop it, and we are gonna count till 24 hours. ठीक है? So I will start it when I'm situated properly, or should I start it right now? But I haven't decided which book to start. Wait, I will start it once I have a book ready with me, and then we will start those. Okay? Yes, that's it. Now I'm gonna sit right here and plan and start reading. Okay, so I have decided to start this book because इसका font थोड़ा सा छोटा है and I think after reading couple of books I'll get irritated with the small font, so I might as well read this first, and then I also want to read at least one Frida McFadden book because they are very fast and binge worthy. I think I can fly through that. I have that on my Kindle and I can read it at late at night in dark as well, so it's very easy. I have to plan my reads basically. So I'm thinking about reading this second, like in the second half of the day, and starting with this book. I'm gonna quickly read the summary like this छोटा सा paragraph because otherwise मैं explain करूँगी और ये already यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, so might as well read the paragraph. So Naomi Shaw used to believe in magic 22 years ago. She and her two best friends spent the summer roaming in the woods, playing a game that became an obsession and a refuge. That sanctuary was shattered when Naomi was attacked. Miraculously, she survived her stab wounds, and the girl's testimony put away a serial killer. They were heroes and they were liars. Now, after fresh tragedy strikes, Naomi sets out to discover what really happened in the woods, no matter how dangerous the truth turns out to be. So interesting. There are woods, so it's going to be very creepy. And best friends, the lies, it's going to be interesting. So I'm finally starting the timer so that I can actually start reading. Ah, okay. Why did I scream? Acha, no, we are gonna start the stopwatch, not timer. Timer में timing लगाना पड़ता है और फिर उल्टा काम करता है. Okay, stopwatch it is. So we are finally starting the stopwatch. Yay! So the time has started. Let's see. So I have an update. I am, can you see? It's almost 3 hours. So I am almost 3 hours in. I have read almost this part. So I am 140 pages in. And this is the time when I realized कि मेरा reading speed बहुत कम है. Because I have read only 140 pages in 3 hours and it's supposed to be a thriller. I mean, I'm not to blame because it's a bit slow. I mean, not really slow, but it's not fast. जो thrillers का speed होता है उतना speed नहीं है इस book का. And now I'm a bit tired. And especially because when you're seeing a screen, you are awake. I don't know why, but we all stay awake because we are looking at a screen. But since I'm not doing that, I'm feeling very sleepy. So I made a coffee for myself and let's taste it. ठंडी हो गई यार. I was figuring out the setup, so ठंडी हो गई अब थोड़ी सी and I'm not liking that. I'm gonna reheat it. Anyways, this is the sad reality, okay, that now I have to reheat it. Anyways, let me talk about this book first. And it's gloomy outside, so it's the perfect weather to read thrillers and mysteries. So this book is right now very creepy because a lot of things are talked about woods and whatever the incident that happened in these three girls' life happened in the woods. It's giving very creepy, eerie vibe. She is not a reliable narrator, okay? Because she doesn't remember what exactly happened. So, I mean, she doesn't remember everything. So, we don't know what to trust and what not to trust. The tragedy has happened. So, she's trying to get some answers, and the only problem is that the font is small. If the font would have been a bit larger, it would have been so easy for me to get through this book. Like इतने टाइम में सेम स्टोरी को 200 या फिर 220 पेजेस हो जाते, बट इट्स सो स्मॉल एंड आई डोंट लाइक small font. बहुत टाइम जाता है to traverse the one single line and go through that. Anyways, I do have some guesses कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, या फिर कोई तो ऐसा एक है जो नहीं बता रहा है कि वो क्या है exactly, who they are not showing their real identity, and I am sure, I mean I'm 80% sure कि वो वही इंसान है. So I don't know, I have to see कि वो वैसा ही है नहीं है. Apart from that, I don't have really a lot of like guesswork because we don't have a lot of information. न्यूज में पता चलता है ना कि ये ऐसा ऐसा एक इंसिडेंट हुआ था, बट यू डोंट रियली नो कि उस इंसिडेंट में क्या हुआ था, except for the fact that these girls have PTSD. It's been 20 years since that incident, but still they are feeling that they have that trauma, they have that PTSD. So sorry. अरे I can't really see it because camera का flap वहाँ पे, तो I could not see कि यहाँ पे कुछ आ रहा है. We are seeing this our main character who is visiting her town after a lot of years. So we are seeing her going back, reliving those memories. Some are good, some are bad. She is meeting the townspeople, and again, it's like nothing is happening. So basically I think इस book में भी last के 100 pages में या फिर 50 pages में कुछ ना कुछ होगा. All the revelations will happen because so far nothing is going on except for the fact that the tragedy has happened, and now she is trying to dig up few things and trying to figure things out. So now it's picking up the pace, and can you see how dark it got really quickly because ऊपर एक काला बादल है and it was raining some time back, so it's very cozy, very gloomy. I'll let you know what my thoughts are once I finish this book. And now I'm gonna reheat my coffee. Bye. So I am almost I'm almost 6 hours in. Finished this book, and my only problem with it was that the font was very small and my eyes are tired now. ठीक है, but apart from that, the book was so good. Oh my god, I enjoyed it completely. Last 150 pages were full of twists and turns, and around 150 pages I wrote down my theory कि ये हो सकता है, but that didn't happen, and there were a lot of things and lot of plot twists. Whatever I was thinking didn't really happen, and it was insane. When you're reading this, I think you could guess a few things but not really everything because there are too many things which are not really expected, and I didn't really think it would turn out the way it turned out to be. Whatever the mystery was, it was crazy and I enjoyed it. I highly recommend this book because it was really good, and I think the initial pacing was a bit slow. That's the only problem, and I could finish it because I was sitting and I had the plan of doing a 24 hours readathon. So it was really easy for me to read and focus and not really forget the tiny details. So which really helped. And I think this one, when it comes to details and those, crumbs and foreshadowing and all those things, if I want to compare it with somebody, it's like Holly Jackson's. Everything was there, all the clues were there, but of course you won't be able to completely piece together the entire mystery because it's not that easy, it's very complicated. So that's how it was. I loved it. Now I think I want to read something which has bigger font, and I can do that with Kindle. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna read on Kindle, and I want to read a Frida McFadden book because they are very short and quick. Because this one took 6 hours for me to complete. Like I was thinking about 5 hours, but six is just too much. And I am also thinking of listening to the audiobook. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just switch between these two. We'll see, and then I'm gonna give you an update tomorrow. It's the next day, and I have completed so I'm almost 7 hours in. I listened to the audiobook of Homemaker last night. It starts with us getting introduction of Prairie and her life, and then how she's a homemaker, she's a divorcee, she has two kids, and how her life has been. So that's what we are seeing right now. We are seeing her life, and then mom from her kids school disappears. So now we are seeing ke kya ho raha hai exactly. And of course she's gonna sleuth. She wants to find out the mom because she wants to do that. This morning I also started Tenant by Frida McFadden. I'm trying to open the Kindle. It's about this guy who gets fired from his job, which was a very high position, and it always reflects because I have a screen guard on it. That's why it's reflective. Otherwise, Kindle इतना reflective नहीं होता है. I'm glad that I did that because इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे scratches हैं, तो वो directly screen पे आते. Anyways, it's about this guy. As I said, he is a vice president. He was working as a vice president, and then he gets fired from his job, and he has a very huge house. Not huge, but he has a house in a very good area in Manhattan. He also has a fiance, but she doesn't really work a very high paying job. He pays the mortgage. So now he is like, they need some money, so they decide to get a tenant, and that's the main plot. And of course, the tenant is a beautiful young woman. There are some weird noises in the middle of the night, and then he thinks that something is off. That's what I know from the blurb. Right now, they are searching for a tenant in the book. So I'm 9% through the book. Gonna read the book right now. I want to get through the maximum number of hours today because tomorrow is the last day. I want to finish the readathon tomorrow, so that I don't want to stretch it. So I want to get through as many hours and as many books as possible today. So let's start reading. It's been 10 hours 40 minutes. It never focuses, okay? Focus. Now, can you see it now? Anyways, it's been 10 hours 40 minutes and I dropped my phone. And number 3, that I have finished the book The Tenant. As I said, that it's very easy to finish Frida McFadden's books like super duper quickly. They are very binge worthy. Yep. Here I have the book. It was good. It strongly reminded me of the Housemaid series, rather the Housemaid, the first book. But don't go in with that expectation. Like read it as another one of Frida McFadden's book. He started thinking that there is something wrong. His tenant is the problem. So that's how it starts. This is the first book where Frida McFadden is written from a man's POV. Like the majority of the book is from man's POV. So that was different for her, but the book was done really well and I enjoyed it. I liked all the twists and turns. They were very fun. And also about the homemaker, I have not really listened to it a lot. I am like 12% in, so I'm gonna listen to it here and there while making dinner or something like that. Whatever chores I have, I'm gonna do those while listening to that book, and then I'm gonna pick up something else. I don't know what I'm gonna read next. I am thinking about reading another Frida McFadden book, or I think I'm gonna go for Truly Devious. We'll see. It's only been 10 hours 40 minutes, so I need to like read for at least another 4 to 5 hours. And it's 8 p.m. right now. So we'll see how it goes. I don't know. I'm not really sure कि क्या होगा, but I'm gonna read. Okay? Yeah, that's it. अब और ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं वेस्ट कर सकती मैं. ठीक है? Bye. It's been almost 14 hours. I know I have to read for like 10 more hours today. So I'm going to focus on reading. But at the same time, I want to give you quick updates. So I am almost 50 to 60% through the Homemaker book. And it's really good. Like the topics which are discussed in that book are really good. Like how the homemakers, like the homemaker moms are treated, what their lives are, how they all go through things. They can have depression, they can have anxiety, but at the same time they are trying to be there for their kids. A lot of such topics are discussed in that book, which I'm really liking. Also, there's this business where there's a pyramid scheme, and the mom who disappeared, Lisa, was at a very high position in that pyramid scheme, and there were a lot of other moms in her downline. Prairie is talking to a lot of moms, getting to know के क्या हो रहा था उस लीसा के लाइफ में. And then there's an FBI agent who's trying to stop her from getting into this investigation because it could be very risky. Right now, there's no murder because the mom has just disappeared and nothing is like sure कि कुछ guarantee नहीं है कि if it's going to be like if is there a murder of any sorts. So far, that's what is going on in that book. Then I am 60 pages in this book. So far, I am invested and I'm liking it. I'm liking to get to know all the characters because there are two timelines. One is from the 1936 and then the current timeline. Murders took place in 1936, and now we are seeing Stevie Bell. That's our protagonist, and she got into the school. She is, taking a tour and meeting all the fellow students. That's what we are seeing as of now. I'm gonna continue this book and that book alternately. जब भी मुझे टाइम मिलेगा कुछ काम करना होगा तब I'm listening to the audiobook and then getting to this so that I can get through all the 10 hours today. That's what my goal is. So I finished the readathon couple of days ago. So I'm here to wrap things up because उसके बाद मैंने अपने final thoughts जो भी मैं पढ़ रही थी उसके बारे में कुछ भी नहीं बोला था. So I'm here to talk about that. So I finished Truly Devious and it's the entire trilogy. So the main case which happens, like the cold case which is talked about in this book, gets solved over the course of three books. So you have to read all the three books to know कि क्या चल रहा है. That's what I got to know. And there's another mystery slash case going on in the current timeline as well, in Stevie Bell's timeline. That one is kind of solved, but the other thing is not solved. The main actual case, which is why Stevie Bell goes to that academy. So I had to continue the second. If I'm reading a series, I need to binge read it. Like I have to read them in continuous order so that सब कुछ मेरे mind में fresh होता है and then I can easily connect the dots and I don't really miss out on details. So then I went to the second book. I read 200 pages, almost 200 pages of this book, which was really great. And I'll tell you what, the first book, it took me almost 7 to 8 hours or more than that to finish that book because when it comes to mysteries and when you don't know how that author's writing is and how they plan and write the murder rather slash mysteries, whatever it is, you need to know कि उनका style क्या है. I'll note every single detail in my head. So that's why it took me some time to finish Truly Devious. But then after learning about what happens and the revelations and the first small mystery gets solved. So I got to know कि बहुत सारा इधर उधर की चीजें she has mentioned. It's like to confuse the reader and at the same time like give them a lot of information then there's one single clue. So but at the same time there are a lot of descriptions, like a lot of descriptions. Sometimes they're not even that relevant. They're just there. Like it's a mystery book. I don't want to know. And it's like the first book, like the Truly Devious book, rather, the entire series is written in a way that it is perfect for adaptation. Like all the details are there, like what they are wearing, what they were doing, how they were sitting, what were their expressions. The descriptions are so in detail that it's very easy to visualize, but at the same time, sometimes it gets out of nowhere. Again, we go back to the descriptions part, and then I'm like, "Ki nahi, but I want to know the mystery." So that's what kept happening. But then after reading this book, I understood कि क्या part important है and how the author focuses on the parts which are actually important. And then I was okay with it. Like if you are reading the book from start to end with complete detail, like complete attention, it can get boring and you will put it down. But if you are skipping those unnecessary descriptions, then it's good. Okay. Easily ये series duology हो सकती थी. There was no need. It's like unnecessary things बहुत ज़्यादा है. That's my one critique. That it could have been easily a duology. ये तीन books ज़रूरत ही नहीं थी और it could have been easily like 600 pages, 300 each. So I technically finished 4.5 books. It would have been five अगर मुझे पता होता कि Truly Devious I could have easily finished like थोड़ा फटाफट से पढ़ के ये वाला बुक भी खत्म हो जाता. But anyways, after finishing my 24 hours, I sat there and finished this book that day itself. So it was really good. Like I wanted to know. The mysteries were good, but the descriptions are too much. That's it. So I finished 4.5 books. Considering my speed, it was good. I enjoyed doing this readathon because otherwise I got a reason to sit down and ignore all the other things and read. And I think I really like this type because I can actually sit and concentrate and read and then retain the information as well and enjoy the books and then also do a readathon. So it was fun. Let me know if you like this format so I'll do more such readathons. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.